Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Evangelina's Craft. For today, I'm gonna make a project on making keychain beads with charms. This is what I made, and I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful keychain for kids. Okay. Well, this tassel I already pre-made it, and I'm pretty sure there's a lot of tutorials on how to make a tassel made out of yarn. So I made several of them, which I got over here, and there is one crafter in YouTube that makes a very nice tassel that's easier to make, and it's the Nervous Knitter, and she does it pretty well. So I pre-made this one, and I put some jump rings on it. So my materials are some half flat back round beads. I need a bail, a cabochon, and this is the one that I purchased from Dollar Tree, party favors for babies, and some round beads from BB Craft. I need jump rings and an eye pin, and also a bead cap. Okay, so to start with, of course, you need some glue, your tools to connect all the beads. So what I need now to do is, so I made this one first, which is ready. Then all you need to do is get your eye pin, insert your first bead, and then put the big one there. Are you following, guys? Okay. And then I get the bead cap, put the bead cap here, and then put my small bead here, and then another big one, and another one here, and finally this end thing here. So after you're done with this, you get your round needle nose and just twist it this way to make a loop. Okay, there you go. And then once you made the loop, you just pinch the loop a little to close like that. Okay, and then straighten it up a little. Okay, so there's the one that's made. Okay, so this is your second one, and then I'm gonna put a jump ring to extend it, and just twist it this way. Okay, twist it that way, and insert it inside this loop that you made, and close it again, and then just pinch it there. So that's your second one. And then I made this one. I'm gonna put some wheels on it. Oops, put some glue there, and another glue there. I'm using a glossy accent. And then be sure that you also have your jewel picker. Put that in there. See? And then put some beads also here to add more decoration to your charm. And then get this one right here. And there. And see, that's how it's done. And I intend to do the other side too. There. You can see that. Get your there. And then put it there. Let it dry for a minute or two. And then put your half flat round beads, and then let it dry for a moment. Okay, so and then this one just the same, we're gonna twist this open and put this inside, and then I intend to put another jump ring. Let me just get my this is my jumper rings that I place it in here. So just get one more there, put it inside there, and then we're gonna close it together now. We're gonna close get this one. I have another. Okay, there. And then you just have to put it back together. Okay, so that's number 2. Then what we do next is this bail. We're gonna, I have the cabochon. We'll just glue it over here. And what I use for this is a E6000. Just put a little amount of that on the back of the bail, not too many. And then we're going to stick this over here. There. Just stick it that way. Put it in the middle there, and then just let it dry for a moment, and that's done. And we're going to put also another more now we're going to put a jumper ring over here. There, and gonna stick it there. And I almost forgot, I'm also going to put another nice charm. I forgot that, together with the because this one over here I put a small charm. I'm gonna put another small charm here, maybe a blue cat. I think this is pretty. We'll insert it over here, put it here inside. Okay, hold on, how do I do this? There. And then we're just gonna close it, and then put this one over here. So once it's open, we'll just open it a little more and insert it over here. Okay, and we're just going to close it this way. What happened? Okay. Oh, somebody's calling. All right, to continue, so I was able to attach this small charm from here. I got a dangling with a jump ring there. So what I'm gonna do now is, I almost forgot to include this in one of your materials that you need. This is a keychain holder, and I bought this from Walmart. All you need to do is just snap this open here. Okay, that's kind of hard. Okay, all right. Oh, this one is there. Just I think it's not really secured. It's so hard there. And then you insert your the tassel that you made over here, or make it put it the other way there, and then put in your the other charms that you make. Put it there. Oh, I almost forgot before that, I need to put this cabochon in here. So we're needing another jump ring. Let's just open it again. And then this has already been dried, so insert it here, and then you insert it on the eye of the pin, and then we're gonna close it again. Oops, maybe I'll use this one. It's much better. Just put them close together that way, and then locked it there. So here's the other charm that we made with the cabochon hanging. Then put your one charm there, another charm here that you made, and place the last one here. So, and then lock it again. And then here's your keychain, the keychain that we just made. Pretty simple, and it's very nice. You know, you can give it to kids. They're going to school now, you know, hang it in a bag, in a purse, or whatever. And you can use also this for your journal, for your album. And I have made several. Over here, I can show you. I made several of them there. So, and I just hang it over here. So this one, I used a different beads, a mixture of beads and cabochons and different colors of this baby crib, baby rattle. And here's another one there, and there's a cabochon, pretty nice. And then you have another one here. Okay, let me just show you there. And there's that pretty charm, and another cabochon that's hanging there. This is very nice as a gift. And there, So these are the keychains that I made, and hopefully you like the video that I made, and it's not that difficult. You can do anything with your beads. You know, you can make several of them, and as well as the tassels. Here's the tassels, more that I will be making. So I hope you enjoy and you learn from this simple tutorial. Until my next video, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye for now.